When we report someone's words, we can do it in two ways: direct speech or reported speech, which is indirect speech. Diane said, "I am happy today." Diane said that she was happy that day. Notice the differences. That day. When we change direct speech to reported speech, we must often change the tense. Example, she said, "I am tired." Direct speech. She said that she was tired. Reported speech. Am is in the present tense, was is in the past tense, and I changed to she. He said, "I have seen snow." Direct. He said that he had seen snow. Reported. Have seen, present perfect. Had seen, past perfect, and I changed to he. The children said, "We are listening." Direct. The children said that they were listening. Reported. Notice again. Present continuous, past continuous. I fell down the stairs. He said that he had fallen down the stairs. Fell, past tense, had fallen, past perfect.